Nokia is a well-trusted brand name when it comes to mobile phones, and the company has forayed into the world of TVs, which is exactly what we have here. This is one of the newest TVs launched by Nokia. As you can see, the box itself is huge, and that's because we have with us the 50-inch version of Nokia's new range of TVs. Let's set it up and see what we have. Okay, so as one can see, 50 inches is quite large. However, it is also available in 32 and 43-inch variants if you are looking for something smaller. For those who like it large, there are 55 and 65-inch options as well. Nokia's new Smart TV range will come with this diamond-cut bezel design that looks quite snazzy. Not only that, but you also get front-firing speakers that are covered in this feather touch other fabric. This fabric is said to improve sound permeability, which should ensure that sound isn't muffled. Over on the bottom, we get these metal stands for propping up the TV. You need strong stands for large TVs such as these. The last thing anyone wants is for the TV to topple over. The 50-inch variant we have offers a 4K UHD panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. This is the sort of resolution you should be looking at when buying a TV of around this size or larger. Of course, that's not all. You also get high dynamic range thanks to support for HDR10. This allows for more natural looking colors which improve the overall viewing experience. Another cool feature that comes with the TV is called micro dimming. What this does is analyzes the content being played on the TV and then automatically adjusts the brightness in the light and dark areas. This is aimed at not only improving picture quality but also helping protect the user's eyes when watching content in the dark. This helps the TV achieve an impressive contrast ratio of 5000:1. Nokia has also packed a lot of other tech into the TV such as MaxBright. This tech aims to boost the overall brightness of the TV, which can be quite handy if your room has a lot of natural light coming in. In fact, Nokia claims that their TV offers best-in-class brightness for each model. There is also live color optimization that is set to increase the color gamut of the frame automatically. This should help increase the overall vibrancy of whatever you are watching. There is also night mode that is specifically designed to reduce brightness and contrast at night without compromising on picture quality. This should help reduce the strain on users' eyes when watching TV at night. Besides all of this, you also get 5 preset picture modes so that you can quickly choose between standard, dynamic, movie, sport, and personal depending on what you are watching. Of course, visuals are just one aspect of the TV. Sound is also vital. In order to ensure top-notch audio, Nokia has worked with the guys over at Onkyo. Buyers get a soundbar that offers a 4-chamber design with 2 Quattro X speakers and 2 tweeters for a setup that is certified by Onkyo home theater system. In the 50-inch 4K UHD variant of the Nokia Smart TV, you get 48 watts of sound. This includes 30 watts of sound from the Quattro X speakers and 18 watts from the tweeters. This is set to allow for a 6D sound experience, which Nokia claims to allow for a theatre-like feel. In fact, the company further claims that the setup allows for 150% greater sound clarity as compared to other TVs. The TV also comes with dynamic amplification technology, which the company claims allows the TV to reproduce incoming audio in lossless quality. There is also an auto volume function that adjusts the volume of the TV depending on the volume of the content that's being played, so users won't have to adjust the volume every time they change the channel. Users also get a built-in TV placement algorithm that will automatically adjust the sound based on whether the TV is wall-mounted or placed on the table. Other features include Dolby Audio, Onkyo surround sound, digital audio out, lip sync, and more. Of course, as this is a smart TV, you also get a bunch of smart features. This includes Android 9 that allows users to access the Google Play Store and download their favorite apps. The Nokia Smart TV also comes with the Pronto Focal AI engine that is set to intelligently enhance picture and audio in real time. It also allows for smart home connectivity, which is just what you need to make your home future-proof. In order to run so many features smoothly, Nokia's new range of smart TVs are powered by a quad-core processor that is clocked at 1.1 GHz. This should be sufficient to ensure a smooth UI experience. The top-of-the-line range of Nokia Smart TVs offers 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. This should not only ensure a smooth experience but also offer enough storage space to install all your favorite apps. The TV also comes with two-way Bluetooth connectivity. This allows users to not only connect their phone to the TV but also the TV to the speakers at the same time. Just what you need to cast a video to the TV. That was a quick look and unboxing of the new 50-inch 4K UHD Nokia Smart TV. It is available on Flipkart at 33,999 rupees and prices for the range start at 12,999 rupees. The entire range will be available on Flipkart during the Big Billion Days special sale. It should be noted that buyers of the TV will get a 6-month subscription to Spotify. To know more about the TV, click the link in the description below.